Yeah, that is why I'm telling you that it is delicious. Okay.
It is what? It is what?
Delicious.
Oh my God.
Oh no. You can come and try this. Very good.
Come on, come and try it. Let's eat it. Mama, I taste something the burger.
Very good.
So guys, these are the list of all the ingredients. Not all, some of them. I have turkey, tribe, and a few other things. I have pepper, now cube, and salt. So yeah, my mom will talk about this, but for the meantime, I started cooking the meat. This is cow foot. I started cooking this for the past 13 minutes. So now I'm gonna be adding the other meat, which is the white meat and the tribe.
Hello guys. We are going to be online today. We are going to discuss a lot.
Yeah, so we're going to make intro. Come on, get ready with the intro. I'm going to say the introduction.
Hello guys. We're gonna.
It's not we're gonna.
We are going to
cook
a special soup.
Hey,
Ofor. Yeah, in our own language. All right.
Where are you from? Where?
I'm from Nigeria. All right. From village called Ofor Soup in ABIA State, Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, it's gonna be a fun one. Welcome to our channel. My name is Ingos and this is my mom. So today we're gonna be cooking our native soup, which is Ofor. This soup is from my village, so I told my mom-in-law to cook this soup. I can't remember the last time I eat that soup. And my mother-in-law cooked Ofor Bono. I show you guys, right? So yeah, today we're going to be cooking our native soup. Is that why you dress in native attire?
Yes.
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 Oh yes.
As you can see, I'm in the model.
Okay, you guys stay with us. Let's start cooking. So over here, I put some. I put the meat. I started cooking because this meat takes time. So I want it to be sharp because I have to go and pick up the kids. I already pick up Miracle. As you can hear her voice, she's playing keyboard behind. Please bear with us. This is the only thing that she can do to keep calm while I do this video. So please bear with us. Let's cook this soup. You're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. Bring your fufu. So over here is the meat. I have cow food. I show you guys. I have white meat. I have turkey. I have beef tribe. I have smoked turkey. I have stockfish. I have dry fish. No, I got too
much.
I got too much. Okay, so what's the first thing we're gonna do right now? So you guys, let's start cooking. I have all the ingredients over here. So let's start cooking. So what are you doing right now?
I'm putting oil. Oil. After putting oil, I will put Ofor.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. This is what we call Ofor. While putting it here, you will be seeing it.
Okay.
You see it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, so right now she's mixing the Ofor with oil. So after that we're gonna add it to the pot. Okay guys, this is the meat, the cow foods, the beef tribe, the turkey.
It's a fish.
So what are you adding right now?
Stockfish and the fish.
Okay, and dry fish. Okay, she's adding the stockfish and the dry fish to the pot. Okay, nice one.
Also,
my cat of curiosity and okay. Get what another pot now.
Now you can see. I just want to put that Ofor.
The Ofor. So right now she's adding the Ofor to the pot of soup. Let's go closer. It's like we are far. ABIA STYLE. Hey. So yeah, this is a mixture of the Ofor and the oil. So we are going to cover it and let it cook. Mommy, how long could you see? I need my son. You should go time.
Yes.
So this is how it's looking right now. So we're going to cover it to cook so that it will dissolve. Okay, so guys, this is the bitter leaf we're going to use. We already added osisa. So there again, I can say so we're gonna wash the bitter leaf and then add it to the pot. It's already washed from Nigeria, so we don't have to cook it again. Yeah.
To add bitter leaf.
Yeah.
You can see me.
They can see. Guys, please ignore the noise from the background. Miracle is here. You guys know that she loves to play keyboard. Please. That's one bad side of having kitchen in the living room. And this is kitchen, this is living room over there. So the noise from there is very, very close to the kitchen. So please bear with us. Oh my God, and the man there they not, right?
Yeah.
Right?
My onubu need the oil.
Man.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, mommy is adding a bitter leaf right now.
This is almost onubu. But there are different ways
Of preparing
this is onubu. You put Ofor. The other onubu, you put ede.
Okay.
That is the difference.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay, 10 minutes is okay. So guys, after adding the bitter leaf, get it the next thing, Elder. I get with you. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, look at it. So right now, we're going to cover the pot and let it cook for maybe like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Then we'll add the remaining ingredients. Okay, the pot and let it cook.
This is salt.
Mama, you know why you? I think that I need to see offend over there. What's wrong with you? You gave your friend dog again.
The state.
So guys, Elder is adding
Maggi
cube.
I'm putting Maggi. Maggi.
What is so good?
Maggi.
Maggi.
Yeah.
Oh, Maggi. Hi, Mommy.
Maggi. I have a fire.
Mommy, so Maggi. No, Mama. I said no, it's in Maggi.
Okay.
Maggi. Cook at that.
And this one can Maggi.
Cook at that.
But I see the cow the final result.
Hey.
You can see the soup is very, very delicious.
It tastes well, no? It tastes anyway. I wait to leave Grandma was delicious. Taste anyway. Hey.
Our people said eyes we eat before mouth. So my eyes is already eating it. Yeah, that is why I'm telling you that it is delicious. Okay.
It is what?
Delicious.
Oh my God.
Oh no. You can come and try this. Very good.
Paul go my cover try.
Let me test it.
Let me test it. Mama, I test up in the bug here.
Very good.
soup is ready.
Yeah.
Okay, Chief. Come on, sis. Okay, our soup is ready. What's going on with you? What the fuck did I get on screen? What's the end of my physical on screen? It was in 4/4. What happened? How are they?
It's not in the mood.
Chief, Chief, came as in Punka. Hey, this is what I'm happy to get. Because what they give that is a Beroka Makaya Meg. Guys, I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this cook with us. I hope you enjoy it. This is Ofor is a thickener that we use to thicken our soup. So yeah, my mom brought it when she was coming, so we decided to try that. My dad enjoyed this soup. In fact, we have to save this soup for my dad. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to be ending this here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you watch up till this time, let me know in the comment section, have you tried using Ofor to thicken your soup? It's not Achi. Achi is a different thickener, but this one is Ofor. We use it, it's common in our village. Okay, so yeah, let me know in the comment section, have you used Ofor to thicken your soup? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe if you're new to our channel and be a part of our family. Thank you guys so much for the love. I really do appreciate that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Have a beautiful day, beautiful week there. Bye.